Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I honestly have no idea क्या होने वाला है आज के वीडियो में. Also, before you guys start bombarding me in the comment section, this night suit is from Myntra. I just like bought it 2-3 days back, but वो सूख ही नहीं रहा था, कब से धो के रखा था because it's raining cats and dogs here. अभी थोड़ा बारिश कम हुआ है, so I'm thinking to like shoot makeup videos for Instagram. I'm not shooting anything for YouTube. So I got this new Makeup Revolution palette, and I wanted a palette which has like all the colorful shadows because I'm working on this video called as Draw Me an Eyeshadow Look. So I sent my friends this idea, and they have sent such horrendous makeup looks, and I'm supposed to imitate those makeup looks using actual makeup. So basically this is how it looks like. Wait, let me just show. So pretty. Oh my god, like look at this. Now these makeup looks will take at least 2 days, so I have around 5 to 6 makeup looks to shoot with different eye makeup. Okay, so the 1-minute video that you are gonna see on Instagram, ये 2 या 3 दिन की मेहनत होने वाली है, and I am planning to shoot 3 eyeshadow looks today. This is what my friend Prerit sent. Look at this, like red and black. Junior sent, this is Pratiksha, she sent me this rainbow makeup look, which is kind of easy. Then Anushri, so you guys know, everybody loves Anushri. Pink eyeshadow look with black hearts over here. Also, so many of you guys are asking me about my nails. These nails are the same ones which I showed in my last vlog from that store called as the Nail Station. So yeah, these are the extensions only. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me about the new neck piece that I'm wearing. So that is also from Accessorize. Guys, I have started, okay, and it's so damn difficult. Oh my god, like these colors look very beautiful on screen. I mean, it looks so beautiful on her, but when I'm trying to do this, just look at my face. Oh my god, like the green and the blue just does not want to blend no matter what I do, and the blending is so bad. I so want to give up, but I won't. I think I'm gonna let this sit like this only, and I'm gonna get my base done first, and let's see how it goes, because I think base aane ke baad I would feel better and I would know where exactly I need some work to do. So yeah, let's go.
It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Okay, so I'm finally done with this look, and I don't know how to feel about this. Let's see what Kiran thinks about it once she sees the video. But now I'm gonna set this camera over there. It has started raining so bad, you guys, so I have to use external source now, and then pose with this face, then remove this eye makeup and move on to the other one. Okay, so it's 1:30. Let me just show you the proof, because आजकल लोगों को लगता है मैं बहुत झूठ बोलती हूँ. Someone commented saying that this ring which I spoke about is not a sapphire. Oh my god, like I'm lying and whatnot. So this girl on Instagram like बकवास की Instagram पे, then I blocked her. Then she came over here, started talking rubbish, and I again had to block her, obviously, because I don't want to waste my energy. But it's so funny that people can accuse you for absolutely anything. I know how much I've paid for this ring, and my jeweler knows, my parents know. That's enough. So yeah, anyway, yeah, so I was saying that I have to remove this makeup and move on to the next one. I have still not had lunch, as I said, and I'm very weird, okay, when it comes to work. I'm like, I will not have lunch till I get done with editing. I will not have lunch till I shoot this much. I'm thoda weird, but I'm thinking ki I will do one more look and then only have lunch. जितना ये easy लगा था मेरे को challenge, इतना वो है नहीं, and it is not as fun as it looks and sounds. It's very difficult, और मेरे लग चुके हैं already. Okay, so this is how this makeup has turned out to be, and I like it. Let me just give you a close-up. So in his picture, there's this color like lilac color, and then there are these lines come dots, black dots, and yellow lower lash line. The yellow that I have is so powdery and so chalky, so yeah, I think even after like wetting the brush, it was not coming off on my bottom lash line, but jitna bhi I could, I have done. I've changed my clothes, put on my jewelry. Now I have to go pose with this makeup. Let's go. Okay, so my second look is also done. I am so hungry. It's 2:15, 2:20 right now, so I'm gonna go have lunch and then see if I can make one more look happen. मुझे थोड़ा ऐसे लगने लगा है that I should do all the looks today. I know it's a crazy plan. You guys must be shouting from your screens saying that, Mansi, are you nuts? Like, don't do this, you will overwork yourself. But I think I can make it happen. But if there is no food in my stomach, I will definitely faint right now. So let's go, because आज मम्मा ने छोले बनाए हुए हैं.
1 hour later.
Okay, this lash is coming out. I've literally overworked myself. So I literally had my lunch in 4 to 5 minutes. I eat very fast, you guys. It's very weird कि मैं इतना खाना fast खाती हूँ. Like literally ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे पीछे कोई शेर लगा हुआ है. Anyway, this look is my favorite. Prerit, thank you so much. Honestly, abhi if I do 4th makeup look today, my under eyes have started looking very tired. So if I have to do 4th or 5th makeup look today, I have to do my entire makeup again, which I am not ready to do because I have to mentally prepare myself for that. But look at the mess that I've made, you guys. Look at this, look at this. Oh, by the way, this palette I used, then I used this palette, and I also used this palette.
1 eternity later.
I did it. Oh my god, it's 5:15 right now. I have never created so many looks in one day. मेरी back की वाट लग चुकी है, and honestly I cannot wait to edit this video and share it with you guys. By the time if you're watching this vlog, and if the Instagram video is already up, I'll be leaving that in the description box below. Please share it, please like it, please comment something nice. I would feel really good because you guys saw me working so hard for that 1 minute video.
केक करणार होते.
केक, शंकरपाळ्याच्या पिठाचा केक.
अगं मैदा आहे हा.
अच्छा. Okay, so I'm thinking to edit the video today itself. I know you guys must be like, what is wrong with this girl? But I just can't. Whenever I get pictures or whenever I shoot videos, मुझसे रहा नहीं जाता. I have to edit it, and I know which song I'm gonna use. तो हो जाएगा I feel. And if you are thinking ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, तो अभी mom, so you saw mom was making शंकरपाड़ी whatever, and I have this habit of playing with atta still. So my mom still keeps थोड़ा आटा aside whenever she makes chapati or bhakri and gives it to me. Yes, आज सारे weird facts तुम लोग को पता चल रहे हैं मेरे बारे में.
2 days later.
What's the time? It's 8, almost 8:05, and it's I think 2 days later or 1 day afterwards. I have no clue, but I was exhausted because of the stunt I pulled, and I shouldn't have done that, like doing so much of work in the same day, because I was constantly sitting and concentrating so much, and my eyes were strained and all of that, because I do work for the similar number of hours when I have to work, when I have to shoot like multiple videos. But मैं makeup एक ही बार कर लेती हूँ, and then वही makeup के साथ I shoot say 2 or 3 videos in a day. So that was not the problem. The problem was because I tugged my skin so much and all of that stuff. So yeah, I was extremely tired, and then I did my Instagram live as well on the same day. And honestly, my sister was telling me not to do it because she could see that I was so tired and I was feeling feverish. But I still did it because I had already put up the story and I didn't want to let you guys down. So we had a very nice session on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, go follow. I added a bunch of Maufam members, spoke to them, and it was a nice session. So in my last to last vlog or something, I showed you guys the pizza dosa that my mom was making, like genie dosa, and a lot of you guys DM'd me on my Instagram asking even you want to see the recipe, so I'm going to take you guys along. Okay, dinner हो चुका है and I just wanted to say a few things. Also, if you're wondering ये yellow lights कहाँ से, these are my fairy lights on the wall. This is like our chit chat spot and heart to heart conversations. So I know that everybody is going through a rough patch. Every single person, like there is not a single person who's not going through a rough patch because of the lockdown situation. किसी के घर पे patients है, किसी के घर पे deaths हुई होंगी, किसी के payments अटके होंगे, किसी के job गए होंगे, किसी के results आए होंगे. Whenever something bad happens with you guys, I'm not crying guys, something went in my eye. So if something bad happens with you, or if you, like yesterday I almost had a panic attack, anxiety and all of that raat ko, and that's why I'm talking to you guys. So if you guys are having a lot of anxiety, if you guys are, you know, thinking that you can't bear all of this, then think about the worst thing that has happened with you. For me, I always think about the hacking situation when my channel was hijacked. For you, it can be anything. It can be your worst breakup, it can be when you got a KT in your school, college, or it can be someone's death in your house. It can be anything. Think about that and think about how you survived it. So this is the quote I came across and I thought, why not share it with MauFam members? I'm gonna read it out. Breathe, you're going to be okay. You've been here before. You've been this scared, uncomfortable and anxious, and yet you survived. Breathe and know you can survive this too. I know it all feels unbearable right now. Just breathe and keep breathing and trust God. This too shall pass, I promise. So, and here the biker goes. And yeah, on that note, I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy.